Minister of Agriculture, Honorable Dr. Demba Sabali, the representative of the Director General who serves as DDG of Agriculture here present, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Agriculture, His Excellency Dr. Nyangado, here present with us, the my governor colleague of CRR, Governor Usman Ba, who is my host. Greetings to him. The Honorable, National Assembly Member for Lower Fuladu, Honorable Jibimbalo, here present with us. The Maru Farm CEO, Musa Dabo, say warm good afternoon to you. The two regional directors, both South and CRR South and URR, here present with us. The Director Agriculture, Gambia Armed Forces, Lieutenant Colonel Sajo Jaju, and team here present with us. The CPCU Deputy Coordinator, Mr. Sow, Momadou Sow, here present with us, and all members of the CPCU here present. The cooperative unions here present. The National Farmers Association President and all other farmer associations here present. The beneficiaries also here present, the media, I say a warm good afternoon to you all. I am indeed happy today witnessing yet another landmark in the history of the Gambia through the Ministry of Agriculture by the GIRAV project, that is the handing over of these equipments that are a milestone in the history of the Gambia. As we all know, and I always put it to myself, this milestone that I'm seeing in front of me, we've seen what happened in the First Republic, we've seen what happened in the Second Republic, and we are now in the Second Republic, but in the third dispensation under His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Mr. Adama Barrow. This is something that has never happened in the history of the Gambia, as we all know. We have to be very frank to ourselves. Projects have been coming and going in this country, but of this type, in this era, it has never happened. And that we have to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of the Gambia, through the dynamic and tireless, minister, that is Honorable Dr. Sabali. Honorable Dr. Sabali, we owe you and thank you so very much. Since Honorable Sabali came to this Ministry of Agriculture through the projects, we have seen a landmark development, and that is what we are witnessing here today. And we all know one of the biggest challenges that the Gambia has been grappling with over years is food self-sufficiency, particularly into rice cultivation. And this is what the government of the Gambia, through His Excellency, and by the Ministry of Agriculture, trying to alleviate. And this is why today we are seated here in Upper River Region South, Central River Region South, in order to do this presentation. These materials that we have, if we are all frank with ourselves, we always used to see this on TVs, when they are doing it, for example, in China, in America, in Europe, and so on. And we keep on asking ourselves, when will this come to the Gambia? I am telling you now, it is in the Gambia, it is in the Central River region, and we are now here to utilize these equipments. What is important, various speakers have said it, the equipments are here, but what is important now, how do we utilize the equipments and maximize profit? In the maximization of the profit, what do we need? We need to have food self-sufficiency in the shortest possible time, because this is what all of us are talking about. And as a result, we have a ministry and the technicians who are more than willing, going in and out in making sure that we have projects in this country that can deliver, and the GIRAV project is no exception. I cannot conclude here without thanking the Honorable Minister and team, but also thank the GIRAV project in trying to make sure that at least all the lifespan of the project, as we are sailing through, we have seen the unprecedented developments that are taking place. And as a result, we need to thank them so very much, and we will tell them that as governors of the various regions, we will work very hard in making sure that the M&E aspect of it is done properly. As the projects are here with us, monitoring and evaluation also, trying to see the upkeep of this equipment also is crucial, and that is where our responsibility lies. And I'm going to assure the Honorable Minister that our offices will do all it takes in making sure that the farmer associations that are in our various regions, we monitor them and see how best they make best use of these equipments. And as a result, we will do our part, and we are part of the GIRAV project, and we have been working with them, and we will always stand by the Ministry of Agriculture and the GIRAV project in making sure that we realize our dreams. Mbadingol mbal tentula mbal jayla bin kontanta bake mbe on debul konton na mba jayla bawo bi de nyim bengoje nyim mutari kol tiga mbela history kono bawo mbe ngalon ne altol menul bijam mo jama bijam ale jawara la man sekunda witness le ale second republic witness la ale president baro la man sekunda witness yin equipment sol mbe men je kan je masigol mbe men je kan je jama ba bije mba je kan no min tole television ol kon andi mba jibe kan television ol kon akake banku dolleto ni sanobe keka bari bi honorable minister ani ala ministry ani man sakunda true excellency president Arab Barrow yenyi equipment ol say ya natal yele alla bundal to say mune tutaje say wolem ko ka do ko sitale say bawo mbe ngajele project jamal le nata nyim Gambia banko kan jam time tatale fo mol fango jikila teyta agriculture la bundal bari bi honorable Demba Sabal la nyaton ko yakono agriculture bundani murta an nodulal andu mune o sabu wolem ko ibe lorin sutanin tili pour ka je ko equipment sol ye na me yalon ko ibal mako la nunto alka dula ndingol le sene bawo alkalla symbole use bari say ye masingol le natale pour ale masingo use pour ale dula ba sene pour ka je ko ale muna fango soto je tukum fana banko fana sim muna fango soto je wole mala objectif te bawo nga dindingol je janne say me yalon ko inata janne ibe karangol la ibe joka andu mbe ngalon ne tukum fana ko altol menul yalon ko bi yal kumandi ni nga tara nga ñi jorangol muta ñante mutala ñame altol fangole be sila sayen albe mol tala doku wala woto fondinke woto sila sayen suwo kono ka foko doku talbu woto mbal tentula bake mbal jeyla man la fila kumo boy fola bawo ngal ne ko kay ko docteur sabale fana ñanta kuma jamale fola mbe dan na janne folo ka batnoji ndiyala nata abe kuma jama fola me yalon ko ndol be bala moyla woto mbal ni mbar la mbal jeyla mbafla assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakatuh